Imagine that you work in a scaffolding company. This company employs 5 people and generates sales of, shall we say, 750,000 euros per year. Sounds good. Imagine that you also bear the responsibility for this company. In that case, you will certainly know the everyday challenges on a construction site. How do I ensure that my employees continue to work efficiently and remain healthy? How do I manage to save unnecessary driveways and distances through good work preparation? Does my scaffolding and assembly process meet the legal framework conditions? How can I reduce the amount of work required for corner configuration, console brackets, and roof safety scaffolding? How can I provide better support for my clients in construction, the trades, and industry? Easily removable decking would be nice. How can I transport my materials safely and efficiently? Naturally, you still have to solve many other tasks. The competition never sleeps. Time and price pressures are the order of the day. Qualified staff is not easy to find. And then there are the legal framework conditions which frequently change. Phew, that doesn't sound so good anymore, does it? Therefore, think about just how your company can actually meet these challenges. We at PERI have also been thinking about how we can help you with this. And as a result, have taken a look at the most important influencing factors: market price, labor costs, and technology. Market prices and labor costs can be little influenced. On the other hand, technology still offers unimagined potential to increase the range of available possibilities as well as revenues in the scaffolding company. That is why we have put all our energies into the development of a new scaffolding system that combines the speed of plain surface scaffolding with the flexibility of a modular scaffolding system and meets today's and future safety requirements. Imagine a scaffold system consisting of particularly lightweight components with which every day your employees, let's just say, have to lift considerably less weight every day, again and again. Then, imagine a scaffolding system in which your employees no longer need fall protection for the basic scaffolding in standard assembly. A scaffolding with which scaffolders are already protected against falling when installing the basic structure due to the assembly logic, through a guardrail which has already been mounted before entering the next level without requiring any additional system components. Now further imagine that virtually no couplers are needed to erect your scaffold. When realizing corners or also when mounting console brackets, you consequently save on carrying out a lot of time-consuming tube coupler connections. Finally, imagine that a frame scaffold can easily be combined with components of a modular scaffolding, and that you can thereby simply deal with any complex scaffolding task. With this, and with many other smart, detailed solutions, the erection and dismantling of your scaffolding is infinitely much faster. In short, just imagine you are again earning more money with the erection of facade scaffolds, and at the same time, you can also offer your customers in construction, the trades, and industry advantages through a new scaffolding system. Imagine that you can thus also increase the satisfaction of your customers. You alleviate the day-to-day work operations of your employees through lightweight components and simple assembly connections. You ensure the value of your scaffolding system for decades to come due to the integrated work safety. And all of this at a fair price. Imagine that the future has already started today. Come to PERI and experience the new generation of facade scaffold with PERI Up Easy. Simply PERI. Simply PERI Easy.